And staying on the courts, this time in tennis, Jamaica's youngest tennis players will compete this weekend at the TVJ, Daimpe and Woodcats International Coloured Tennis Tournament set for the Eric Bell Centre. The competition was launched on Wednesday.
55 players will compete in 3 coloured ball categories at the 2-day tournament, geared towards shaping the future of tennis in Jamaica. Founder and organizer Lieutenant Colonel Warrington Dixon says opting not to add a 4th coloured ball category was strategic.
What wasn't available to them was play at a level that was slower, in terms of the speed of the ball and the size of the court that they're required to take responsibility for. So that wasn't there. So I have looked to meet that need.
Multiple prizes will be on offer, including tennis tuition grants of up to $25,000 between sponsors Daimpe and Woodcats International. And Lieutenant Colonel Dixon says the 1-week training stint at affiliate club Chow Academy in Miami is crucial to developing a world-class mindset among young players.
The thing that I think is mostly absent in Jamaica is a thing I call culture. A culture of professionalism, a culture of excellence in our kids. I'm not even focusing on the coach. I'm talking about in the kids. When you go to an academy like Chow Tennis Academy, you feel it in the kids. The way they walk, just the way they walk to pick up a ball, to come back, you can feel that they mean business.
29 girls are registered to compete at the 2-day event, 3 more than the boys, and Tennis Jamaica President John Azar believes that is a step to reviving women's tennis in the country.
Certainly is encouraging not only to hear that Colonel Dixon has doubled the total number of entrants from his event last year, but the fact that there are more girls playing than boys. So that's very encouraging, and I think, as you rightly say, it's important for him and for us as an association to ensure that these girls not only play events like this but stay in the sport.
Action begins on Saturday from 8 a.m. with the competition scheduled to conclude on Sunday. Gerard Morris Seeley for TVJ Sports.